Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here at Vibration Studio in my hometown Huddersfield. I'm here with my guy Sluggy Beats too. Today we're working on my instrumental album, Timeless. So I'm going to be making some kind of soulful melody, and then instead of me programming the drums in, my guy Sluggy is actually going to be playing the drums live. I wanted to step it up for this album, so yeah, let's just get into it. Start off with some kind of progression. I'm just gonna bring in some kind of drum break underneath and then just kind of help with the rhythm.
I feel like the vibe's already there though, even just with them.
Yeah, it's chords. Like the short chords,
yeah,
isn't it? Yeah, maybe something like this. Can you play the keys at all?
Not any better than what you can probably.
Yeah. You can play guitar though, can't you?
Yeah, I've got my guitar and bass in car.
Sick. Do you think you could play like live bass or something like this?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you filter them by like actual organs? You know what I mean?
No, it's just
like
like
all the synth ones.
Yeah, which is annoying because like
yeah.
I feel like most people don't know. Like, I haven't got a clue what each one would sound like. I feel like that B3 is like an organ sounding one.
Or maybe that Mellotron actually. They're kind of sick, are they?
Yeah.
This one might do though. This one had like one kind of top layer.
Yeah, that sounds pretty sick to me.
Maybe some kind of choir. Let me go on Splice, find some kind of like soulful vocals, you know, like phrase or something.
Yeah.
Need like a second part, the vocals switch up a bit maybe. We just get that and reverse it.
The second half of that first one.
Second half of what, this one?
Yeah, like if you took like the second phrase and like put that.
Oh, like here?
Yeah.
Like from this part here?
Yeah, if you like chopped that. Maybe if you could take a part from, you know, the last bit.
From here?
No, like, you know, this other sample.
Oh, yeah.
And make it into... I can just imagine it going more down, you know what I mean?
Like that. Kind of like stutter that. Maybe it needs a couple more melodic things in it. You hear anything on this, or is this like kind of alien to you?
I can hear some like bass patterns and stuff like that.
Yeah. I think with these ones, like these soulful ones, like the melody's never like crazy complex. It's just like layers of nice stuff, and then the drums and the bass just make it.
It's really simple, really.
Yeah. Just find a different sound for that little Glock. Maybe some strings or something. How long does it usually take you to cook up a beat?
I feel like that house stuff is like really simple. So,
is it?
Yeah, like once you've got your bass down, like literally every house beat's just the same drums as well, and it's like, so really not long with the house stuff. But I don't know, because it's like, I feel like the vocals and the vocal chops is the bits that like takes time, you know.
Yeah.
Do you ever put saxophone in these sort of beats?
Yeah. That could be sick. We could try that. Maybe a sax could play that same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this sax here is sick.
Oh yeah, I've seen that before.
Turn this up. See what the strings just sound like, the same notes. Might be enough for now. I'll do like a little structure and then at least there's some variation.
What's that?
So it's cymatics plug-in, Origin. Alright, I think that's gonna have to do because FL is crashing on us and I don't want to risk it. So this is what we got so far. Only thing it's missing is a bass, and then obviously Sluggy's going to be replacing the drums. So the pressure's on you now. Sick. Definitely some good takes in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was hard. Just drums now then.
Yeah.
Alright, so Sluggy just fucking killed the drums, made it look real easy. I still need to take the beat home and rework the melody a little bit, but yeah, we'll show you what we've got so far. And live drums just sound way much, like so much better.
Get the proper feel of the track there.
Yeah, definitely. Those walls, man, whatever you do there, it sounds crazy. Killed it, man. Is this the first time you've recorded something to a hip hop beat, like drum wise?
Yeah, in studio setting, yeah. Very fun, man. But it's like a proper nice BPM so you can do like nice fills and stuff.
This whole breakdown sounds nice.
Yeah.
I realised when I was making the melody I didn't do anything to the chords, like they're not strummed, the velocity is all the same, like it's just so basic, but I'll rework it.
That's the thing though, now you got the drums in there which are so like,
yeah,
like they got so much
it just sets the groove now.